Poppin' Bab Squad, it's your girl Brie Angelique, and I'm back today with a hair wash day tutorial. So it takes a very long time for my hair to get soaking wet because I have low porosity. So you'll just see me trying to soak up my hair for a little while. And if you are not subscribed, now is a good time to go ahead and do that and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. We don't want no problems. We gon' take over the world. To make washing my hair a little easier, I like to make my hair fall into my face and just kind of fall where it's supposed to be. So the front to the front, sides to the sides, that kind of thing. Now on the days that I have to clarify my hair really well, I use the Aussie Moist shampoo, but I only use one pump. I put it in the middle of my head and on the sides of my hair and in the back of my hair, and I just rub it into my roots. And I try not to get it onto the strands of my hair because that makes my hair mat up. So when I feel like my scalp is good and clean, I start to move the rest of the shampoo on my hands towards the ends of my hair, and I grab the water and just let the water rinse the shampoo down to my strands. And believe it or not, that'll get your hair clean enough. Make sure you're being gentle to your hair. I know the speed up makes it look like I'm being rough, but I promise I'm not. So now I'm going in with the Aussie Moist conditioner, and I use a gajillion pumps of my conditioner. But you want to make sure your hair has enough slip so that your hands can finger detangle without ripping out your hair. When I put the conditioner in, I focus on the ends of my hair and work my way to the roots, because when you have low porosity, sometimes products sit on top of your hair. So that's what you really don't want when you get to your roots. You don't want your roots and your scalp to be loaded up with a lot of conditioner. So focus that on the ends, work your hands through, make sure you're raking, because curly girls need to use finger combing, not combs. Like, there's a time for combs, and it's not when your hair is soaking wet. So just make sure you keep combing that through, work all that conditioner into your hair, and yeah, I'll check back in with you in a second. If you need to do some slight sectioning, you can. This is what I'm doing right here. And what you also won't see on camera is me add a little bit of water to my hair, because as I'm working it through, it got a little dry, but I definitely still needed to have that slip so that I can make sure that my hair is like butter, girl. You want them curls to be like butter, honey. Yes. We don't want no problems. So your girl did not have that much shedding, and for everyone who is natural, that on a wash day is beautiful. So go ahead and make sure you rinse your hair until the water is running clear. They don't understand it. That's cause we so magical. Call it black girl magic. Call it black girl magic. So you just squeeze the extra water out of your hair, grab a t-shirt to wrap your head up, and I will meet you in the camera to do a slick back bun. The most important thing about wash day is the aftercare. So make sure you section your hair really well. And the conditioner and oil I'll be using today is the Thank God It's Natural Green Tea Leave-In Conditioner and the Aunt Jackie's Monoi and Flaxseed Oil. Me and all my girls, we don't want no problems. We gon' take over the world. Ain't nobody stop us. So remember when I said there's a time for combs? Now is the time for the wet comb. So the wet comb to me is the most beneficial when my hair is semi-dry, so like damp, and I have products in it so that it'll help encourage the slip. So we use the comb to detangle, we use the Denman brush to make sure everything is flat, and then we just add a ponytail so that we can keep it moving. Using my favorite ecostyler gel, and if you don't know what that is, it'll be in the description box below, and I'm just using this cute little edge brush I found at the beauty supply store to lay my edges down. And the sunshine, my hair, it grows and my curls white. My nose. After you do the final comb through, add some ecostyler gel to the top and use a hard brush to brush everything down, make it smooth. And look at my waves. Look at my waves, y'all. And then we're gonna put the final ponytail in and call it a day. Let me tell you, baby girl, you got it all. If you enjoyed and learned something from this video, give it a big thumbs up. We are almost at 1,000 babs, so our next goal is 10,000 babs. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, babs.